Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Namar ka jingslam palat ke Sekolah Bah North Eastern Hill University ban penmi ya ke result jong ka semester ke bahan riau jong ki samla pule ki bapule haki college baper hakani ke jela ki bala ituru da kanehu haka arp sau trek mentau naitung ahjar kat khandai kinong hilam jong ka seng ki samla pule jong ka Sekolah Bah ki bahapo ka shatri jong ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union ki la je kendo yeu comptroller of exam jong ka Sekolah Bah nehu bandawa na u ban penkloy no haka ba penmi ya kani ka result khanang bakat om kta ya ka jing pule jong ki samla ki bakwa ban peteng ya ki jing pule jong ki sheki wepat ki Sekolah Bah ki badan sheki wepat ki jela jong kari kini hilam jong ka nehu su kila aipor shitayau ya ka Sekolah Bah nehu ban penmi ya kani ka result lem komta kani ka seng kala berngamro bakam ban se ban pelong da ka jekhi kat kom ka hok hakani ka riti sencar pajba.
This has hindered any students who want to have a higher career or a higher pursuance of studies. So what I would urge the examination department is that if it is possible to please declare the results as soon as possible, and to this the controller of exams has replied that he will declare the results at the very latest, that is the 31st of this month. And also regarding this issue, we have come to a realization from the side of the union that it does not solely depend independently on the examination department, but it also lies in the fact that many of the teachers who are correcting these scripts have not yet been able to submit many of the scripts, maybe because they were busy in some other works perhaps. But I would also urge these teachers to please remember that your first priority is towards the students. You cannot just hinder or maybe let this affect the career of the students and the future, especially those who want to have a better life.
Undergraduate yang pemerintah kilamat di JE di babun bah pom tang hang ni hajala andre habak liwat ki admission joki shabar ke jala ke julong barabor ba ketika department ke persyang ka bala ban penmi ye result hakapor andre kidan kijing kedrum kenram ba kini kijing kedrum kenram kimi naba but when kijing kedrum kenram kalomba ka kijing ye keren joni ba COE kalomba kiladam kijing kedrum kenram joki colleges shani hakniga jela jongi hakniga sor ke jongi but then namar kini kita function lala ban pelat ki results namar kidam ki papers ki berasa akut ki colleges bakim pak shni laong ini ba lada kane tang kawai ke paper ne kawai ke packet kinom kai barok ki results kinom syam lala ban pelat de ka pelong ini bang ini keren baru bangin ong ibu ba bagin penbet na season dan ni jing kedrum kenram but kejing pelatnya results kinde nila ai kapor ke deadline nila ai syaka examination department kata kalau shitio rate la ong ba papers jong subjects ki paper kin pelat na kawai ka singi shakawai pat menta ka singi kila ong pelatnya ke BSW la sya ki ong pelatnya ke English mangin syam la tip adu katno tambah kata ka di kejing ong kejongu but ka examination department hi kelabu yang pada deadline bam hapua jong ni benai kalai kui trik jong ni benai kin pelan jong baro di papers te nila persyang ya kat bangila bat persumutu bat penpet syau bakat do gejing jong kena bat nila keren hi na koi kapor skoi por pat ba ka examination department kalong ka department ka badan juduna shibone kamtam system ke sistem ke OSS kalong ke sistem ke basuki ne kalong ke sistem ke bakla hakipor kibamdeban bakla judan kipor ba hakar result ke bakiyo kipas andre dalapoi hakar marksheet ke print ke OSS pa kifil te dan ki ne kalong da Hong Kong bapas bafil ne na bafil shabapas te kane ka bu jinge bat ka bu haka jinglong bamti kena jong ki kena lada ki hapan apply sikiwe ki college demetas ni nila liai bat nila ong ki balada kimla ban pelat ki result hak por ko bakloy ngim ban se ban shimno ki we ki sen jampat ban penni yaki ba in penni de kijing yaki wa kila penong de kijing yaki kila penong de gino rukok but kawai bengi ong pa balada ke duty ki mla penbiang ya ke duty ki jongki ki hap ban step down no siu iru hap ban step down no kom si I jong kenika school ba but jongki colleges ki ba affiliate but kenika school ba